Okay, this building here came from the south of Murfreesboro, and they've set it up here as a doctor's office, a representative. And of course, doctors used to always have a little office. See, it's got some beautiful flowers there. But here, read this, pause it and read it, okay? We'll step inside, and you can see there's a wheelchair right there. There's all his tools over there. Medicine bottles, some books, crutches and a cane. Examination table right there with a representative stool for him to sit and work on you. There's his degree from school, Vanderbilt University. A light up there. And then there's some bandages and things, I guess. There's looking out the window. So, not a bad little doctor's office, huh? Hope you liked it. Alright, this building here, they're calling it the FL Westbrooks. This is representative of an old country store. This building was built in 1899. So it is 125 years old. Got a little porch here, a little place to sit. Here's the doors that go into the store. And here you go. Get you a good look at all the stuff that you could sort of expect to see in these stores. It's tobacco. I see Tops, 8 Brothers. I've never heard of that. Prince Edward right there. And then look at all these bottles of so-called medicine. Mostly it was alcohol. Tools back there. Coca-Cola sign. Check out the light up there. Got a ladle up there. Quite a few things. An old trunk up there, right you're looking at now. Washboard. So all kinds of good stuff. Alright, hope you enjoyed this tour of the store. Okay, this is representative of the Blacksmith Shop. It's not original, but it's just meant to show you what they kind of look like. And of course the blacksmith back in their day, I mean, they made every kind of tool and anything and everything that somebody needed. Okay, as I take you through the bars that I can't get through, there's the forge right there, of course. See how big that is. Here he's got some tools over here. A lot of tools on that wall. Anvil right there on a big old stump. A couple other anvils. In fact, 3 other anvils I see back there. And of course, other places to work. There's some coal fire to keep things warm. A lot of tools back there on that back. And look up here. And then over on that table, see, yeah, the blacksmith would always have an electric fan with him. In fact, there's 2 of them. So, you know, he had to stay cool somehow, right? So he definitely used his electric fans, no doubt. And he would have a board like that where he'd have an erasable marker to write down his projects. You know, something like that, right? There's some of his works. So there you go. It's a blacksmith shop. Hope you like this one here. Erected in honor of W.H. Westbrooks, founder, Cannonsburgh, 1976. And you can see the fence and the flag back there. So I just wanted to bring that to you. Pause this and read this whole thing. Where this building now stands, there used to be a more important mill that stood here. Just show you a little bit of what they put here. Pretty interesting, huh? Alright, now pause and read both of these. This was burnt on Father's Day, it said, in 2005, partially, and so they had to partially rebuild it. That's the bucket. Look at this thing. There's this base that it's talking about. Over 70 inches tall. Look at the handle on this thing. Here, let me give you a real life example. There's my left hand on that handle. What a giant it would take to pick that thing up, huh? And right there's the sign, you see. Please do not touch the world's largest cedar bucket. This area is under surveillance. It wants you to know that. Ain't that cool? You see that mobile gas sign up there? Check this out. Stones River Garage, Cannonsburgh, Tennessee. Check out the old 2 gravity-fed gas pumps there. I'm going to take you around here and just show this to you from the side. Before we look inside, you see you got 4 signs on that side of the building: Pure, HC, Pan Am, and Lion. And you see, obviously, here's the doors where they take your car in to work on it. But you see, you got Sinclair Dyno gasoline. And now as we go inside, check out the old car. Okay, you're inside behind the bars where I cannot be. Look at that cash register back there. All the license plates on the walls back there. Here's a newer pump, obviously. Sinclair Dyno gasoline. Again, you can see the price was 27 4/10 of a penny for the gas. Kerosene oil pumpers there. There you go. Ooh, gas had jumped up to 52 2/10 of a penny by the time this machine was in use, so gas was getting high. Okay, check this beauty out. The Stones River region, Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Give you a shot of the front of it. Let me get you inside. There you go. What a nice car, huh? Another oil pumper over there. Got some books to work on your cars with. And check that out, probably an air hose down there. Air compressor. More license plates across the top, all the way through there. And then here, check this out, Murfreesboro, Tennessee. And here's just some different articles about cars. And then there you go. Looks like maybe a part of a map. Alright, let's go and see a couple, 1 or 2 last things that are here in this place. Okay, this is the last building on our tour. They're calling it the Rollins tractor shed. They have collected tractors from horse-drawn to gas to diesel and various things to do with tractors, it says in the brochure. But I'll tell you what, let me just stick with one side here. So you can see that's a John Deere. Please do not climb one of these. They're Rollins tractor shed. So if you want to read that, pause that. I'm sure that'll give you the history exactly as to what I read in this brochure here. But check these things out. Look at the wheels on that. More modern there. John Deere. A lot of these are John Deere, aren't they? There we go. Get you a little bit closer look. Check this one out. This has got one wheel on the front. See the steering mechanism? Yeah, that's different. Check this one out. That is a small tractor. There's 2 of them back here. Look at the wheels on that one there. Here's a Ford tractor. Got that nice knob on there to make it easier to steer. And if you wanted to plow at night, hey, you got headlights. That's the biggest one we've seen so far is right there. Yellow. So there. Pretty big engine on that thing, huh? 1945 Armoline, donated by Mr. Alan Watson, Murfreesboro. Check out the seats. Wow, that's got a lot of rust on it. That is a big tractor. That thing pulls through so many fields, I'm sure. Leader. How cool is that? Made in Chagrin Falls, Ohio. Okay, I've never heard of Chagrin Falls, Ohio. Then there's this big one here. That you can see in this row. Alright, now I'm going to start the other row. And here, get you a good view of it this way. Case. I know Case make knives. I didn't know they made tractors. Okay, and look at that steering mechanism there on that. Two wheels, but they're both together there. This one's made the same way. So is this next one, but boy, look at this back wheel. You're not going to get stuck in the mud with that, are you? Check this out. Is this steam maybe? It says Case. It says 1930 L Case. Got those wheels that you ain't gonna get stuck in the mud there with either. Or that one, same thing. Wow, this is a big case here. Look how big those wheels are there. You're not likely to get stuck on anything. Farm haul. This farm haul is a tall tractor. Big rubber wheels, of course. Pull you through a lot of stuff. Give you a more comfortable ride, no doubt. A 39 F30 farm haul. All right. There we are. Boy, look at that wheel on that thing. Look how tall that is. Wow, that's probably 5 feet tall. Look at those wheels down there on that. McCormick Deering is what this one is. 1937 W30. Look at that one there with that wheel. Rubber wheels up here on the top. I mean on the front. 25 to 30, 1020 McCormick Deering. And then we got this one here. Look how thick that is. Pretty crazy. Okay, so I think that's all the tractors. Hope you've enjoyed this whole tour of this place. It has been fun. I did need to add this one more steam engine out here between the visitor center and the smith shop, Blacksmith. Check this thing out. This is a Case. Look at how big this is. And check this out. You drive it from back here. I'm sure they had some sort of a seat on it or something to stand on or something, but look at the big gears here. It'll drive this thing to drive these wheels. That is something. Okay. Hope you like that.